man. We got my boy Trez. This lame, man.
It's all. It's all.
Yeah.
Can't drill like that go start night.
Hold up.
Can't drill like that.
I know.
We got a little gangster.
I know, man.
Put the man on, you know what I'm saying?
Talk to the people, man.
Talk to them.
Talk to the people. You do.
I got it. Going on, y'all good folks. You know what I'm saying? Slow.
Boy, if you don't get
fast. But yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? You know, y'all boy go subscribe to my YouTube. You know, it's your boy Trey, you know. Ooh, got good content coming. What's up? Good content.
Got a little bit on,
you know, they be taller here. I gotta hold the camera up. You know me, I just hold it in my face.
Car cool. I know it's a little windy in here, man. What's going on? We in traffic with it. You know what I'm saying? Or maybe it just be skating. Okay. Alright. Boy, think he nice, man. He alright. I don't got the camera fluid though, so I don't know where to point it at, but he alright. All that. Look at him. He think he got a stick shift so bad. Olivia talking. I ain't got but one window down, you feel me? Yeah, man. I was supposed to be over there. I've been supposed to look over there. But I had to see, but you know what I'm saying? Had to say out there, this TRX, man. Them too hard, man. And the towing, nigga. You know what I'm saying? That be clean, man. Get that bit, man. That bit hard. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that. That bit hard though, with a trailer on the back of that bit. That bit hard, huh?
Behind that bit.
Cari made it.
A bit cool. Talk to me, man.
Huh?
What you gotta say, man?
Come on, bro. We little scat, you know, little scat we doing.
Little scat.
Little scat.
Kill him with that little scat.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cari Beats, man. Back with another video. Quick little, I don't know what you want to call it, tutorial video, man. Yeah, but it's early in the morning right now. I literally just got out of work, bro. It's like 7 in the morning, bro. I'm tired, bro. But I want to go and get it done while it's cool outside and there ain't no bees and wasps flying around, you know what I'm saying? But I don't know what I'm tired of the video because obviously it's the second part, you know what I'm saying? Different day, same video, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna put some tail light tint, you know what I'm saying, on Olivia, you know what I'm saying, around the halo part, the red, so the whole back gonna be black and they're gonna kind of complement the stripes real well, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause that red with that yellow kind of light, so I don't know, it's a bad mix. I don't like it. And then the rest of my side marker lights are smoked, like they like black too, so they kind of gonna go together. So it gonna look real nice. But y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Leave a like on this video. Hit that subscribe button, man. On the road to 10K. Get your boy to 10K, man. Please give me the 10K, man. Comment on this video. Damn, I'm getting tired. Comment on this video, man. Let me know what you think about the car, man. The stripes and everything like that. Make sure y'all subscribe. And turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. You know what I'm saying? And follow me on Instagram, man, at thatboyCari Beats, man. ThatboyCari_Beats. You feel me, on Instagram, but let's get straight into it, man. I'll be back. Peace. Alright, Cari crew, man, you know what I'm saying? We outside. So, I'm gonna show y'all what she look like. What it look like, you know what I'm saying? Regular with the red showing. So now I'm gonna put the tint. The tint, you know what I'm saying? On there, y'all gonna see how it look, but I might show y'all a little step by step, but probably not too much. Y'all just gonna see like the aftermath and all that. But peace. Cari crew, man. I'm already messing this up. But it look good though, the idea, but they got hella bubbles in it, bro. And then y'all can see it, but see how it look, you know what I'm saying? It look pretty good, but it's heckle bubbles in it, you know what I'm saying, like right here. But you know what I'm saying, we just gonna work with it. You ain't supposed to get that close, you know what I'm saying, from a distance it look good, you know what I'm saying. From a distance it look good, so you see my car in person, man, don't be criticizing, bro. Just enjoy it, just enjoy it. Yeah. And my battery finna die. Cari crew, this how it look, man. I ain't done yet. I gotta do this one. You see the difference, you know what I'm saying. What it do, Cari crew, man? This another day, same video, you feel me? About the tail light tint, man. You know what I'm saying? I had a little imperfections in it, whatever like that, but overall, man, it look good. You feel me? It look good. I don't know what y'all think. Y'all know how I usually look with the red going around it, but you know what I'm saying? This what I got right here, man. What y'all think, man? Y'all let me know. Let me know what y'all think about that. Yes sir, yes sir. But that pretty much gonna be a wrap, man, for this video. That gonna be a wrap for this video, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. On the road to 10K, man. Get your boy to 10K the quick way, you feel me? I don't know why I made that face. But it's raining, as y'all can see. But anyway, man, like I said at the end of my videos, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone. Do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, man. Chase your dreams and just don't let nobody tell you no, you feel me? But yeah, like I said at the end of my video, also, keep God first, man. Keep God in the mix, man. I'm telling you, take you a long way for real. Take you a long way, man. Yeah, like I also said at the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.